Hi guys, I'm back again with a new video. So in today's video, I want to share with you my thoughts about this retinol cream from Olay. This is the Olay Retinol Night Moisturizer. So the moisturizer is fragrance free and one jar of this is 50 gram. Before I talk about this cream, I'm going to read you the product claims first. So the claims are scientifically proven to reduce appearance of fine lines and wrinkles in 28 days, 24-hour hydration for plumper skin, and help resurface and renew skin for smoother and more radiant skin. So the main ingredients in this moisturizer is retinol, but inside the moisturizer there is also niacinamide. So this is how the texture of the cream looks. The texture is quite bouncy and easy to blend. It's very smooth. I think the cream is not overly thick, but it's not very watery too, so it's somewhere in the middle. And the cream is easy to blend. Even when my skin is dry, I don't find it difficult to blend. Also, the cream absorbs quickly into my skin. So I'm going to try applying this on my face. So this is how it looks after I finish using the cream. As you can see, it's not overly oily, but it doesn't look dry also. It doesn't feel dry. So anyways, I've been using retinol for a few years now, and this one is not my first Olay retinol cream. I actually used this a few years ago, I think, and I remember that I don't have any bad reaction from using this moisturizer. I think it's because my skin is not sensitive, but if you do have sensitive skin, I think you should be careful when using this cream because retinol can be a little sensitizing. You can try this and use it slowly and then increase the frequency once your skin is already used to the retinol. Anyways, about the 28 days claim, I cannot really comment a lot on that because I don't have any visible wrinkle on my skin yet, and also I just bought this a few days ago, so I'm just telling you my experience and my first impression about this. I think I'm going to make an updated video again about this. Like, I think I want to put more creams around here, around this part of my face, and see if there's any difference because I tend to do this when I'm angry or when I'm thinking. So yeah, maybe I can test out the 28 days claim by using this cream around here and take some photos. But for now, I think that's it for today. So far, I quite like the cream because it's not overly thick and it's not overly oily. As for the price, I got it for around $25 here in Indonesia, but I think the price can vary from country to country. So yeah, anyways, thank you everyone for watching the video. I hope the video today is useful. I'll see you guys again in my next post. Bye bye.